The oscillation period of a pendulum is indirectly proportional to the square root of its length. At a time O is equal to 5 seconds and length of the pendulum is equal to 64 centimeters. Find the length if O is equal to 4 seconds. Now, from the first sentence, we have the data as oscillation period O is indirectly proportional to the square root of its length. So that means we can say that O1 square root of L1 is equal to O2 square root of L2. Now O1 is 5 seconds, and at that point length of the pendulum is 64 centimeters. So multiplied by square root of 64 is equal to O2, that is 4 into square root of length 2. Now 5 into square root of 64. Square root of 64 is 8. So we have 5 into 8 upon 4 is equal to square root of L2. So we have 4 twos are 8. So therefore, square root of L2 is equal to 10. If we square both sides, we'll have L2 is equal to 100. So option A will be our answer.